want. Things don't go the way we want, but don't get disheartened. Stand up and march ahead. As Buddha said, no matter how hard the past, no matter how hard the past, we should start again. We should begin again. We can begin again. With this beautiful quote of Buddha, I wish you all a very good afternoon, and I want to pay my respect to our respected manager, principal, teachers, the staff of St. Joseph, and my dear students. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate the new year in a way that we want to express the feeling that we have memorized in our life in the previous year, in the year that we are in. So every year remarks a new beginning. Every year when come, we think that the time continuous flow. It flow like water and it never stops. The new year also signifies new opportunities, new belongings, new challenges, and new opportunities to achieve in our life. When we talk of new year, various thoughts and various belongings come into our mind. So the previous year, the year 2020, has not been a very kind for us. There were several challenges that we have met in the year. There were lots of ups and downs in our lives, and it also reminded us that our life is not very easy. There are various ups and downs we got through in this year, and also it reminds that we all are one. The good part about this year that it told us that we all are one, not this nation. The whole world is one, and we fought this deadly coronavirus very bravely, very efficiently. Now, when we are talking about this year, there were lots of bad memories related to this year, and some good memories also got into this year. That our school got affiliated, CBSE affiliation we got, and this a great achievement for us that we got senior secondary affiliation. So some good things also occurred in our life, in our surrounding, and in everyone's lives. Now, while I am wrapping this year, I want to we should thank all the front warrior, corona warriors, who fought for us, like our doctors, who saved lots of life, the life of corona patients, the teachers who ensured that the learning process should not be stopped, our teachers, our parents who encouraged us at every moment of life, the policemen who ensured our safety and our safety, and also the parents as support, a teacher as support, and the worker who maintained cleanliness and hygiene in our society surrounding us and helped in combating this difficult situation. When today this year is about to end, we are having organized our Rangoli competition in our campus by our management. What does Rangoli signify? Rangoli as an art, it signifies, it is considered as the harbinger of what? Harbinger of good luck. It is considered as harbinger of good luck, as it brings good luck, generosity, prosperity, and happiness. So having this day, when 2020 is about to end, having this type of competition, we are very lucky to have this competition and express our feeling with the help of Rangoli. That there are types of Rangoli we have seen here, that students have drawn their feelings of coronavirus, their feeling of about the girls, and also about our nature. Now, when we are talking about Rangoli and our the difficulties we faced, it's time to have some good thoughts, some good things about the coming next year. So the next year that we are going to enter in, it is like a blank book, and the pen is in our hand, and we should write a beautiful story in it, so that our coming year will bring lots of happiness, success, joy, and unlimited possibilities. So should be there in the coming year, and the coming year should also force us, so also encourage us that we should not stop. Looking behind is not something good for us. It's that you always stand and you always walk and you always run. There is nothing like standing and nothing like stopping. Now, when we are talking about all these things, the thing which I want to say, that I want to wish you all a very happy new year, and there are lots of happiness and joy, and also lots of opportunities, challenges come in your life. Before ending my words, I want to sing some lines, and I invite all you to say some lines with me, a small song about coming new year. So let's start. It's a beautiful new year we have. Sing along. It's a beautiful new year we have. With lots of joy and hope. With lots of joy and hope. It's beautiful new year we have. Sing. It's a beautiful new year we have. It's beautiful new year we have. With lots of share and care. With lots of share and care. It's beautiful new year we have. Sing. It's beautiful new year we have. It's beautiful new year we have. With lots of share and care. With lots of share and care. It's beautiful new year we have. It's joyful new year we have. It's joyful new year we have. With lots of happiness. With lots of happiness. It's joyful new year we have. It's beautiful new year we have. It's beautiful new year we have. With lots of hope and joy. With lots of hope and joy. It's beautiful new year we have. Let's sing a song. Let's sing a song with play and praise. Let's sing a song with prayer and praise. Let's sing a song with prayer and praise. Let's sing a song with prayer and praise. Clap your hands. Clap your hands and sing along. Clap your hands and sing along. Happy, happy, happy New Year. Clap your hands and sing.
Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year.
Happy, happy, happy New Year. Thank you.
I think everyone is very eager to know the result of today's competition, and I'm very pleased to see your nice rangoli. This year we were not able to organize any kind of program due to COVID-19, and this is the first opportunity we have got to organize a program on the eve of the last day of 2020. But 2020 was not a wasted year. I think this year only we have not got the children in a school, but we have achieved some excellency. We have achieved affiliation of senior secondary classes that will run from next year, and that's a great achievement for us. And I need your kind blessing that we should spread like this in the coming year. 2021, that is coming from tomorrow. I express that this year we will live more happily than 2020. And I'm just telling you one thing more. Yesterday I was just studying some articles in the newspaper, and there is a predict of an astrologer that 2021 will be the most dangerous year in the life of human being. 2021, that's the coming year. But this is only a expectation. This is only expectation but he has made 80% right expectation. 80% right prediction has been made, that has been corrected. So, but we should not think about it. Whatever the problems will come in our life, we have to face. Just as we have faced COVID-19, and if we have crossed this year COVID-19, I think not more than this year, the fatal year will come in our life. We were totally closed in our houses, and we were not able to come out of our houses. That was a great. Everyone was fed up from this problem of COVID-19. All the school, colleges, markets, everything was closed, and we were totally remained in our houses. But now we have got some chance to come in the school. We have gathered here today on the eve of the last day of 2020, and we have also celebrated this day with organizing Rangoli competition. This is the time to declare who is the second, who is the third, and who is the first. Everyone is the first, in my own view. I am the manager. Every students are equal in my view. But we have to declare the decision, and the decision that has been taken by the judges. And whatever the decision they have taken, we have to announce that decision. Everyone will have to accept it. Okay? Now I'm just announcing the first runner-up. First runner-up goes to Shivaji House.
Where is Shivaji House?
First runner-up.
Shivaji House.
First runner-up, Shivaji, please.
Wait, sir.
Second runner-up award goes to second runner means Raman House.
Where is Raman House? आप है
Can you
Raman
guess
House.
who should be the first? Who should be the winner? Only one house. They have explained very well, but explanation, it was not there was not the point of explanation. It was the program of Rangoli. So while explaining, I think Raman House was the first. But according to Rangoli, Tagore House is the first. Tagore House Rangoli is very nice, neat and clean, and their explanation was also not so good, but you have obtained the first position according to the judge. Winner, please come.
घायल परिंदा है तू, दिखला दे जिंदा है तू, बाकी है तुझ में हौसला। तेरे जुनू के आगे अंबर पनाहे मांगे, कर डाले तू जो फैसला।
रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदे, हर मैदान फतेह।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह।
देशों के बादलों पे चढ़ के, वक्त का गिरबा पकड़ के, पूछना है जीत का पता, जीत का पता।
इन मुट्ठियों में चांद तारे भर के, आसमां की हद से गुजर के, हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा।
ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द से, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, मेरी जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू, तेरी नदियों